Hi, I'm Dean with PureNSM. The supplement market is surging, which is great for brand owners, but consumers are also becoming more aware and selective about what they put in their bodies. Things like magnesium stearate and carrageenan are no longer obscure and are avoided by many. When supplements are labeled with those ingredients, it often leads to doubt at the point of purchase. The consumers are increasingly reading the supplement label backwards. Brand owners across the country face a dilemma. Should they continue to keep production costs low by using these worrisome synthetic additives? Or should they adopt a clean label which might destroy their profit margins? Thankfully, with the help of PureNSM, you don't have to make that choice. No one has more experience than PureNSM in avoiding the use of magnesium stearate and rice extracts that can contain seed oils. We have GMP certifications from both NSF and UL and have spent years fine-tuning our proprietary methods that enable the powder to run fast and efficiently into capsules without adding toxic flow agents. What is our secret?
We at PureNSM are proud to announce our new and all-natural flow agent, Natur-Flow 8, a proprietary flow agent containing granulated and finely milled and sifted ingredients from bamboo and leucine.
Natur-Flow 8 is a game changer. For brand owners who are serious about high-quality, pure health supplements but still need to run high-volume jobs, you no longer have to sacrifice purity for savings. Welcome to low-cost, high-volume, and unmatched quality.